Hello, in this video we want to solve this question. This question is from Mathematics for Economics. The question is, find the Hessian matrix of the utility function u equals to x to the power half y to the power half. Solution. Utility function u of x comma y equals to x to the power half y to the power half. The Hessian matrix is u xx, u xy, u yx, u yy. This is our Hessian matrix. Now what is u xx? U equals to x to the power half y to the power half. Therefore, ux, that is the partial derivative of u with respect to x. That is, we are differentiating u with respect to x, keeping y constant. This is y to the power half, we keep y constant. Now we differentiate x to the power half as half, x to the power half minus 1. This is half, x to the power minus half, y to the power half. This is ux. Uy is the partial differentiation of u with respect to y. That is, we differentiate u with respect to y keeping x constant. Here we keep x constant, differentiating y means half y to the power half minus 1, that is half x to the power half y to the power minus half. Ux is partial differentiation of ux with respect to x. What is ux? Ux is half x to the power minus half y to the power half. When we differentiate, we get half. This minus half comes here, then x to the power minus half minus 1, that is 3 by 2 y to the power half, because we keep y constant. This is minus 1 by 4 x to the power minus 3 by 2 y to the power half. Similarly, uyy is del of del y uy. This is del of del y half x to the power half y to the power minus half. This can be written as half into minus half into x to the power half y to the power minus 3 by 2. Minus half minus 1 is minus 3 by 2. This is minus 1 by 4 x to the power half y to the power minus 3 by 2. Now we calculate uxy. Now we calculate uxy. I am doing here. Uxy is del of del x into del u by del y. We substitute the value of del u del y is uy, that is half x to the power half y to the power minus half. Now we differentiate, we get the value x to the power half into x to the power half x to the power minus half, because half minus 1 is minus half y to the power minus half. Therefore, uxy is 1 by 4 x to the power minus half y to the power minus half. Now uyx equals to uxy by Young's theorem. Now we substitute the values of uxx, uyy, uxy, uyx in the Hessian matrix to get the Hessian matrix for this utility function. I am doing it here. The required Hessian matrix is this is denoted by H equals to, I am putting these values, 1 by 4 minus x to the power minus 3 by 2 y to the power half. This is uxx, xy is this 1 by 4 x to the power minus half y to the power minus half. Then this is uyx, this is also x 1 by 4 x to the power minus half y to the power minus half. Then uyy, I am putting this value here, minus 1 by 4 x to the power half y to the power minus 3 by 2. This is the value of the Hessian matrix for this utility function. This is the answer of this question. I hope everybody understood the solution of this question. That's it for this video. Thank you.